What's up, guys? I just received this in the mail. It's not my tag either. I was actually pretty worried that it might have been a ticket or something. I've been going up to National Forest. I'm not sure why they would give me a ticket anyways, but I guess they're fishing games up there a lot, so yeah. Ended up being the stamp, upland game stamp, upland game bird stamp for 2021. That was a price. Have a couple other ones of these. These are actually free. You gotta request them. Takes a while to get in. I have like 3 or 4 other ones for previous years. All you gotta do is request them when you buy your tag. And they'll send them for free. I have to show you guys the other 2 or 3 I have. They're pretty nice. This year's a dub. This one says 10/29. Let me go check the other ones out. Here's the other ones I have. 2019, 2020. That's the most recent one. 2019, 2020. 2018, 2019. I think they're pretty cool just to have. They don't send them out, and you gotta request them now, I guess, because it costs a lot. So they keep the cost down, so you request them. Looks cool.